Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gutter cleaner is probably one of the most underrated tools for homeowners. Keeping your gutters clean is crucial to prevent water damage, and this attachment makes the job significantly easier. In this video, we'll dive into the world of gutter cleaner hose attachments, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs, so you can protect your home effectively. Number 5. Orbit 58543 Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. This telescoping wand extends from 40 to 70 inches. It makes cleaning those hard-to-reach rain gutters a breeze. This is a great tool to have. The zinc sweeper nozzle rotates 180 degrees. You can easily position the spray in the direction you need. This feature provides great flexibility. Angle the spray head up or down. This allows you to obtain the perfect water direction for your cleaning project. This ensures effective cleaning. It's made with lightweight, non-corrosive materials. This ensures it will last season after season. You can rely on it for years to come. The padded foam grip adds comfort. It also insulates your hands from cold water temperatures. This makes it easier to use for extended periods. What we like. This wand extends from 40 to 70 inches, making it easy to reach those high gutters. The rotating nozzle lets you direct the spray exactly where you need it. If you have a two-story house and want a simple solution for gutter cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works great. The design is well thought out and easy to use. It effectively cleans gutters. Number 4. Sooprinse Foam Cannon and Pressure Washer Kit. This foam cannon kit makes washing your car easier than ever. It attaches to your pressure washer and creates a thick, rich foam. This helps to lift dirt and grime away from the surface. The kit is designed for easy connection. Depending on your hose size, you may need to use the included adapter. It is compatible with pressure washers up to 3000 psi. The included 30-degree angled adapter is perfect for cleaning those difficult spots. You can easily clean under your car, the roof, and even air conditioning units with it. You can customize the foam thickness and spray pattern. Adjust the nozzle to get the perfect mixture and coverage for your needs. It's simple to use and very effective. We are committed to providing quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions or need assistance, our professional after-sales team is here to help. Feel free to contact us. What we like. This foam cannon has a 30-degree angled adapter, perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. It also features an adjustable nozzle for accurate mixing and foam generation. If you are looking for a way to clean your car or house roof, this is a good option. What people say. It is well designed and of excellent quality. With its high pressure, it effectively removes dirt, grime, and stains from surfaces like driveways, patios, and vehicles. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use, while the adjustable nozzle allows for versatile spray patterns. Number 3. JANZ 24 feet Telescoping Pressure Washer Wand. Introducing the JANZ Telescoping Wand, designed to make cleaning easier. This allows you to reach up to 24 feet without a ladder, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. This wand comes with 2 extension wands and a brush, so it can easily tackle soffits, fascia, siding, and gutters. It's like having a professional cleaning crew at your fingertips. Made from sturdy, lightweight aluminum, it's easy to handle. The comfortable padded grip lets you work longer without fatigue, and it works with pressure washers up to 4000 psi. With 4 adjustable sections and lever locks, setting the length is simple. The M22-14mm male thread outlet keeps the extension wand stable, and it includes 2 hose adapters for easy connection. The brush head tackles stubborn dirt, and the extension wands are ideal for different cleaning tasks. 5 spray nozzles meet all your cleaning needs, and the support belt helps save your energy. We focus on providing professional-grade cleaning tools that are easy to use. Save time and effort on your cleaning projects. Contact us anytime for technical assistance. What we like. This telescoping wand can clean up to 24 feet high without a ladder, and comes with multiple accessories. The sturdy and lightweight aluminum design makes it easy to hold and operate. If you like a comprehensive cleaning kit with various nozzles and extensions, you should consider this. What people say. This works great to clean out gutters, pressure wash the house. Extended out easily, and with the help of the trigger lock and body harness I was able to keep both hands on the wand to maneuver it. The product is well made and includes everything you need. Number 2. JANZ 24-foot pressure washer wand. Introducing the JANZ telescoping wand, designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. This allows you to clean up to 24 feet high without needing a ladder, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. With its 5-stage design and included extension wands, this product can easily tackle soffits, fascia, siding, and gutters. It's equipped with a brush head to remove stubborn dirt and grime. The sturdy aluminum construction makes it lightweight and easy to handle. The comfortable padded grip allows you to work for longer periods without fatigue. This is built to last and withstand pressure up to 4,000 psi. Featuring adjustable sections with lever locks, you can easily set the length you need. The included hose adapters and pivoting coupler add to the convenience, making it compatible with most pressure washers. This comes with a variety of accessories, including different spray nozzles and extension wands. The support belt helps to save your energy during use. This is a comprehensive cleaning solution. We focus on providing professional-grade cleaning tools that are easy to use. Save time and effort on your cleaning projects. Contact us anytime for technical assistance. What we like. This wand also reaches up to 24 feet and includes multiple extension wands for different angles. It comes with 7 spray nozzles to meet your cleaning needs. If you are looking for maximum versatility and reach, this is the one for you. What people say. This wand did a great job of cleaning the outsides of my gutters and flashing about 20 foot off the ground. The box comes with a bunch of useful parts to allow to use the handle wand for multiple applications. Quality build, easy to extend. Perfect. Good price, quick shipping. Every fitting I needed to hook this up to my older pressure washer was included. 5 stars just for that. Did an amazing job on our beige vinyl siding. Number 1. Guttermaster Pro Telescopic Water-Fed Pole. Tired of the hassle of cleaning gutters? This tool makes it easy. It allows you to clean your gutters quickly and efficiently, eliminating the need for manual debris removal. This telescopic pole extends up to 16 feet, allowing you to reach most second-story gutters. Combined with your height, it provides ample reach for effective cleaning. Forget complicated setups. This pole connects directly to your garden hose, requiring no special attachments. Just attach it, and you're ready to go. This water-fed pole is perfect for flushing out your gutters, removing leaves and debris. Start by flushing your downspouts, then move on to the horizontal gutters. Looking for more cleaning solutions? This product isn't just for gutters. Explore our range of flow-through poles and brushes for various home maintenance tasks. Check out our storefront for more. What we like. This gutter cleaner extends to 16 feet and connects directly to your garden hose. It's designed for easy gutter cleaning from the ground, saving you time and effort. If you value simplicity and ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. Not only very sturdy and well built, but easy to use as well. I use this product for cleaning gutters on my 2-story home, and I was impressed with its ability to clean the leaves out of my gutters. It feels quite sturdy and the joints are easy to loosen and tighten in order to extend or contract it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.